Christmas was never Christmas without my red cherry pie or crostata. However, I think that's just something that they say when they want to eat it. But with all the festivities and the traveling and the holiday in between, I quite subtly let it slide, only to be reminded about it. Before I get any flack or slack for it, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. Out here I've got an 18-inch 1/4 centimeter disc of short crust pastry, and if you want the recipe of my short crust pastry, just go into basics and you're going to find it. So perfectly rolled out. I'm going to take some sponge crumbs that I have lying about. Now this has just 6 ingredients coming together. So sponge cake, the crumbs lined perfectly in the center. This is a free-form pie which really works to its advantage and so easy to create. So just nicely put the sponge crumbs right in the center. Allow it to form a kind of a round. On top of the sponge goes some lovely red cherry puree. Now if you don't have it lying with you, just use a store-bought variant, or like me, I always take the red cherries and just macerate them in a little sugar syrup and allow them to cook perfectly well. It's an indulgent treat and works to its advantage. Look at that beautiful play of color. 100 grams of red cherry coulis, nice and chunky, nestles on top. And now you want to break that tart and sweet element with a sprinkling of some Szechuan Pink Peppercorns sea salt. And this is the trick, just to bake that overall flavor profile really well. Freeform works to its advantage, so pick up the edges and just allow them to fold very rustically on top. That's the beauty about this crostata. Very rustic pleats forming that perfect envelope with that slight lovely color shining through really well. Give it a nice brush with an egg wash. 1 egg just whisked up, no fanfare, no drama. Just give it a nice brushing so it gets that beautiful golden brown color into all the nooks and crevices, giving it that perfect marble goldness. And lastly, some granulated sugar just sprinkled on top. And I do this because my short crust pastry is the savory kind. I never ever use a sweetened version of a short crust pastry. This gets about different flavor profiles, different textures, keeping it simple and using all the tricks to create a star-stunner dessert. Now all this needs is a good chilling in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before you plop it straight into a hot oven. "30 minutes of a perfect chill takes this crostata down into a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for just about 30 minutes till it gets that beautiful golden brown color. The beauty about this crostata is that though free-form in nature, it needs to be as rustic as it gets. The sugar on top blistered the beautiful creation really well. Beautiful blistered red cherries on top with that kiss of Szechuan Pink Peppercorn takes this crostata to the next level. All you need to do is allow this to rest for 30 minutes and you can dig right into it. Don't forget to top it with some great vanilla ice. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. A simple tart, 6 ingredients coming together, and the best part about it, you can make it in a jiffy. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.